Chinese city of Tianjin, the only shareholder of bankrupt Bohai Steel Group Limited, is demanding that Bohai's creditors and strategic investor implement a bankruptcy restructuring plan by the end of September, two creditor sources with direct knowledge of the matter said. Bohai Steel, a former Fortune Global 500 company that was founded by the Tianjin municipal government in 2010 by merging four local steelmakers, collapsed in 2016 with more than 200 billion yuan, $28.4 billion, in unpaid debt, the biggest bankruptcy restructuring in China's history. The company's demise followed years of overexpansion fueled by easy credit that left it heavily leveraged when steel prices plunged to record lows in 2015. The implementation of Bohai's bankruptcy restructuring plan, which was approved by a local court in January, has been delayed over a power struggle between the Tianjin government, creditors, and investors, as well as the local government's fears of losing state-owned assets and jobs, the sources said. However, financial pressures from local banks and concerns about the city's own debt burden have created a new sense of urgency for the Tianjin government to start the Bohai Steel restructuring as soon as possible, they said. The Tianjin government is keen to take action before the 70th anniversary of the founding of the People's Republic of China on October 1, both sources said, a major event for China's ruling Communist Party. As a result, a timely reorganization is now considered a political task, they said. The government is pushing hard. After Bohai there are even more complex cases to deal with, said one of the sources. Neither the Tianjin government nor the management of Bohai Steel immediately responded to requests for comments sent by fax from Reuters. In Tianjin, some financial institutions have turned their backs on any local companies due to multiple large-scale corporate defaults and the local government's inability to resolve debt crises involving state firms, bankers have told Reuters. The Tianjin government's debt burden is the highest among China's provincial-level megacities and provinces, according to S&P Global Ratings, due to a regional economic slowdown as well as curbs on pollution and local government shadow financing. Under the restructuring plan, Bohai Steel will be broken into two parts, steel and non-steel. Delong Steel Group Dilo.si, a mid-sized private steel maker with annual capacity of 3 million tons, will buy Bohai's steel-related assets, said the sources.